All right, we got one of the nicest little off-road trailers right here. Great storage. Look at this, all the way through. Off-road tires. Got the roof rack set up. Look how clean. More storage. 2 batteries. Look how nice this little sucker is. Great setup. You have a front sleeper, you got a back bed, you got a front bed, you got a slide. Look at all this. There's lots of cold air, but look at this. What a great trailer. Really nice setup. This flips into one huge king bed. You got a nice bathroom. Look at this, heated tank.